Welcome back and good morning. Now, first thing today, we are under a little bit of a flash flood watch in Pulaski and Camden County. You'll notice that expires, however, at 10 a.m. and really the bulk of that flash flood watch is off to our south. But I did want to start off just by mentioning that we are seeing some still elevated areas where flooding is a risk. You'll notice flash flood alerts and warnings have been issued. You saw that just a moment ago. Here's a look at those warnings along some rivers here in mid-Missouri. So again, if you happen to be around any area that's prone to flooding today, make sure that you are keeping a close eye out and turning around if you do happen to come across some water. Now, looking ahead to the rest of today, though, we are going to be staying relatively dry. Lots of sunshine already this morning. That humidity already sticking to us as we open up the door here in the studio. I know I stepped out just a few minutes ago and the air sticks to you. That's going to continue to be the theme, though, as we get into the afternoon. And highs are going to top out in those low 90s, but yeah, add in that sticky humidity and suddenly we're going to be feeling like we're in the mid to maybe even upper 90s for a feels like temperature. So unfortunately, that humidity is going to be playing in really throughout these next 2 days. You'll notice we're going to be pretty much uncomfortable level of humidity for the next 2 days, but there is hope on the horizon. There's a little bit of a break coming our way. Now, before we get to what could change as we get into this week, I do want to point out that the UV index today is going to be extreme. You can burn in as little as 10 to 15 minutes today. You're going to want sunscreen. You're going to want to reapply sunscreen and stay out of the sun if you can, because it's going to be hot and that sun's going to really be beaming down on us today. Now, I mentioned some relief. You'll notice Tuesday, pretty extensive chance for rain. That's actually why we've issued a weather alert day for Tuesday. We are tracking the effects of Tropical Storm Cristobal as it tracks through portions of the United States today, tomorrow, and then finally into mid-Missouri on Tuesday. We are keeping a close eye on some severe weather impacts that could happen here for our Tuesday.